Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Today, I'll be unboxing and setting up the new DJI Action Camera 3. This camera is a great option for those people who want to capture high-quality action footage. It is small, lightweight, and waterproof, so you can take it anywhere you go. Tara, unboxing natin! Kasama na sa box yung DJI Osmo Action 3 camera. Bare mo siyang makikita sa box. Ito yung small touchscreen at katabi nito sa bandang kanan ay yung lens. Makikita natin sa side na to yung power button at USB port C cover at yung release button, as well as yung port. On the other side, yung battery compartment cover and the release button, dito natin makikita. If you slide it down, dito rin natin makikita yung battery and micro SD slot. You need to push down a micro SD card for it to be released. Ito naman yung recommended micro SD cards na pwede niyong gamitin. May 3 pieces na extreme battery na included sa adventure combo. May strip siya na pwede natin gamitin to pull the battery off from the slots. This is lithium-ion polymer extreme battery. The battery allows you to record up to 160 minutes of video with Osmo Action 3. It can be charged with a camera or by using optional standard or PD fast charger. One of the downfall of this action camera is hindi mo siya magagamit pag wala yung SD card as well as yung app. Madami pang useful accessories included dun sa adventure box. Included na rin dito yung horizontal vertical protective frame. And dahil dito sa frame na to, pwede mong i-flip horizontally or vertically yung camera. Kalito at first, pero kailangan mo lang i-align yung pulang button as well as yung ibang parts ng camera sa protective frame kasi identical naman yung mga buttons na to. After natin maipasok yung camera sa frame, we just need to close the buckle. May marinig kayong click afterwards. So let's boot up the camera. Makikita natin na may light indicator sa front at saka sa back screen. May battery saver mechanism siya. Pag hindi mo siya ginamit, mag-o-off siya. May sound warning pag mag-o-off na yung camera. You just need to press the red button, magsa-start na mag-record yung camera, and there's a red indicator sa back at saka front screen. Parehong touchscreen yung front and back screen. This is Type-C to Type-C PD cable. With this cable, you can charge the camera as well as the multifunctional battery case. Depende sa video na i-shoot mo, ito yung performance ng battery. Kasama na sa adventure combo itong battery case na to. Multi-purpose siya. Pwede mong gamitin as a battery case as well as USB power bank to charge your camera itself or your other mobile devices. Also in the box is the flat adhesive base. We can mount the camera here using the Osmo locking screw and of course by the use of quick release adapter mount. The two should be locked using the Osmo locking screw, which are all included in the adventure combo. With this kind of accessories and setup, you can either mount your camera on your bike or car. You can either stick your camera to a wall or window to create a security camera. Pwede mo rin i-mount yung camera mo on a surfboard to create your next sports video. Or you can use the base to create a DIY mount for your camera. One of the key features of the Osmo is that you can shoot a landscape video common for YouTube or TikTok, or take a picture or video on a portrait mode used in Facebook, YouTube Shorts, Instagram, or maybe in TikTok. This can be achieved using the quick release adapter mount. Using the Osmo locking screw, you can connect the camera with a 1.5 extension rod. Because of the magnetic design of the camera, you can easily connect the camera to the attachment included in the box. Ang sabi sa website, the Action Camera is fully optimized to be used at a depth of up to 16 meters without the need to buy any additional accessories. But if you need to go diving to a much deeper level, say 50 meters, you need another accessory. Enter the waterproof case camera. By the way, the camera is built to withstand cold temperature, so diving into that depth should not be a problem. One of the best feature na pwede kong i-consider dahilan ba't ako bumili ng DJI Osmo Action 3 ay mas mura siya kumpara sa Hero 11. Aside from that, yung kanyang front and rear color touch displays, easy to change lens filter, continuous 40K 60 recording without overheating, And for slow motion, kaya niya mag-record ng up to 4K, 120, and 1080p 240 na videos. Meron siyang 75-minute battery life, and of course, waterproof siya up to 50 feet. Ang disadvantage or medyo na off lang for me is kailangan ng smartphone for its activation, and yung video limited lang up to 4K 8-bit quality. This is also an optional purchase kung saan pwede mong ilagay lahat ng mga accessories and as well as yung camera for the adventure combo.